Welcome to the first ever 3 minutes or less episode, where we will be unpacking the nation of Czechia to see what it's about. Czechia is a nation located in Central Europe. Archaeologists estimate the area Czechia comprises may have had humans kicking about as early as the Paleolithic era, or Old Stone Age, which could be anywhere from 12,000 to 3 million years ago. Artifacts, however, have been found dating back to as far as 20,000 BCE. During the Classical era, 400 to 800 AD, Celtic Boii tribes started constructing settlements near Prague, the nation's modern-day capital. Slavs and several other European ethnicities began settling there, with some battles emerging here and there. The Duchy of Bohemia began to rise in the 9th century, being an imperial state of the Holy Roman Empire. And after this, Bohemia just couldn't get enough suffering. Several famines, wars, and setbacks occurred, with even some Napoleonic battles happening on the land. Basically, they were going through it. After its shenanigans with the Holy Roman Empire, it became a part of the Austrian Empire. But it was kind of getting tired of being under so many empires, so some freedom movements started, but the Austrians weren't having it, and well, they suppressed them. And then, Austria-Hungary came along, Czechia still being a part of it. In 1918, Czechia finally got some independence, kinda. They were united with another group of people, the Slovaks, and together they formed, personally my favorite historical country, Czechoslovakia. And that's the end of the video. Czechoslovakia lived happily ever after and definitely didn't get invaded by any other country after just becoming independent. The Nazis took over Czechoslovakia. But the Nazis fell and Czechoslovakia was free once again. What? What do you mean the Soviet Union puppeted them? Oh, for fuck's sake. Fast forward a couple decades under Soviet rule, and Czechoslovakia split up in 1992, creating two new nations, Czechia and Slovakia. Today, Czechia has joined NATO, the European Union, and has succeeded pretty well in independence and sustainability. Its GDP is around 360 billion USD, its HDI rating is 0.915, which means it's very developed, and its population as of 2025 is about 10.6 million. So yeah, that's Czechia. Personally, I like Czechia a lot, and it seems to me it's one of those nations that just couldn't catch a break in history, but today it's doing a lot better. What nation do you want to see next? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Also, another thing, this is actually my secondary channel, one I plan to do on the side. My primary channel, and one I want to do as a full-time career, is called Golden Waffles, where I make funny Roblox videos, so go check that out if you get a chance. But thanks for watching.